Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. Welcome to Pantech Solutions and YSW, and I warmly welcome you all for the series Data Science Masterclass Day 1. So in this session, we are going to be covering up the basic stuffs about data science, AI, machine learning, lot more stuff which is really waiting for you. So I hope you guys are super excited for this today's session. If you all super excited, you just post I'm super excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. And I'm telling you guys, before going on to this series or the sessions, which is not gonna be like a usual session. This session gonna be more interactive, and this sessions or this series need to be filled with complete positivity. Okay, so if you all excited for the series, you just post I'm excited, Sanjay, in your live chat. So before going on to the session, I would like to welcome the people present here. Here there are a lot of people are posting their messages. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are doing that. Hi, hello, thank you so much. Hi Kartikeyan, hi Shekhar, hi Travel Wonders, Rupisha, hi, and Sandeep. And before going on to the session, I would like to tell something. A lot of funny thing is happening now. A lot of people are posting present. It is really looking like school days, right? Please don't post present sir in your live chat, guys. Attendance link will be shared in between the live or in the end of the live. So once the session is completed, you just want to fill up the attendance form. Okay, so no need to tell present or present like that. So yes, thank you so much. A lot of people are posting, super excited. Priya, Akash, Rachel, Shafikul, Rutuja, Anvesh, and Priyani, and Rashmi, Karthik, and Nagaraju, and Darji, Akash, Yakin, and Akshat, and Bhavika, Amman Kumar. Thank you so much. Partha, the fire emojis, it's really a complete positivity. Thank you so much. And Swandan, hi. And Harshil, hi. Yashpanwar, hi. And Rahul, hi. Hello, guys. Thank you so much. Lot of people are posting, super excited. Wonderful, wonderful. Tech physics. And Ashish. And Babalola. We are getting a lot of participants from other countries too. Warmly welcome you all for every people. Thank you so much. Hi. Hello, all guys. Okay, so let us go to the session. So before that, same as like there is an announcement. So attendance link will be available in between the live or the end of the live. So once the session is completed, you just start filling up the attendance form. So until then, please don't rush up for the attendance form, or don't rush up to tell present sir. Okay, so you just fill up the attendance form. 25 days attendance is mandatory to avoid the free webinar certificate. Yes, you are going to get the certificate for attending this 30 days free YouTube webinar on data science. Okay, so now before going on to the session further, it's my pleasure to give introduction about our company Pantech Solutions. So while talking about this Pantech Private Limited, it is not a company which is started now to teaching courses. We are a product-based company who is crossing its 17 years successfully, and now we are ready to transfer our knowledge to the people who are out there. We are the company named called YSW Coaching Club, because as a 17 years of product-based company, we have lot of knowledge regarding the products and how or what the company will expect, what the product-based company will expect. It is not a service-based, it is a product-based. We used to manufacture nearly like 300 plus products. So now we are ready to. So we really came up with an idea to share our knowledge to the people who are out there in a very less cost and as well as free even. So there's this 17 years of knowledge. Now we are ready to transfer our knowledge to the people who are out there on the free of cost and in the less price as well. So this is what the YSW is all about. And then before going on to the session, guys, I really want to speak something about certain thing which is really mandatory in life, because the people who are out there, like you may be a student, you may be a faculty, you may be like engineer, you may be working in some other IT companies, or you may be a researcher, you may be any people. So definitely each and every people want to learn or want to upgrade themselves. So on that aspects, people have some problems. So I'm gonna be listing out some of the problems people are facing. So you guys tell me, will you agree to this point or not? Okay? Are you all with me, guys? If you are with me, you just post. I'm with you, Sanjay, in your live chat. Again, I'm telling you, this session is not gonna be a normal session. It is gonna be completely interactive. Okay, please interact as much you can so that you're gonna get amazing gifts and prizes. There are a lot of surprise which is really waiting for in this 30 days. Okay, so first of all, let us discuss some of the problems in the field of learning. So, for an example, if I'm going to take this class for 12 hours or 7 hours or 8 hours, definitely you will be feeling very boring, right? So if I'm going to take the class for 24 hours, definitely you'll be feeling boring. If the session is having more content, definitely you won't learn. And if the session is very hard, if the person is using a lot of technical terms, and if you can't able to understand that, definitely you will leave the session. And if you completed certain course and you can't even able to build a project by yourself, and even if you have completed a course, you only have 2 to 3 projects, that is useless, right? So you really want to build a lot of project as much you can. That is what, if it is having very less application, definitely people won't learn. And if the session is not interactive, if you can't able to talk with your instructor, right, so definitely you will feel sleep, right? So that is, if the session is not interactive, you will feel boring. So even though for each and every people who guys have crossed school days and college days, each and every people will have some favorite faculties, right? So how many of you people love the subject based on the faculties? If you are one of the person, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if you are one of the person who love that subject because of your instructor, because of your faculty, you just post I am Sanjay in your live chat, because I love physics based, or because of my teacher, and because I love computer science because of my faculty. So likewise, each and every people will have some of the who loves that faculty's interaction, so that he loves the subjects too. So the session needed to be interactive. So that's what the fourth point. And the fifth point, if the session is not precise, they just are telling like blah blah blah, something like that. Definitely this like overwhelming, right? So sometimes at some point of time you will feel boring. So these are all the problems. If you all agreeing to this point, you just post I agree. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are posting I am wonderful. Aditya and Concept Booster and Preeti, cause of my teacher is exactly, and Joy Abhishek and Vishal and digital technology study. Wonderful. There are a lot of people are posting I am, and Beasley posted I am Sanjay. Thank you so much for mentioning my name. Concept Booster, I love physics. Great. Nasiru A Saibu, that's great. Wonderful. And wonderful. There are a lot of interaction, guys. I'm really feeling happy. So thank you so much for doing a wonderful interaction like this. Yes, so these are all the problems. And still now, people used to tell some of the reasons. Sanjay, problem is lack of information. Guys, I'm telling you, problem is not a lack of information. Because for an example, if I'm typing data science, okay, if I'm typing data science in my Google, you just see how much results are there. 1, 10, 100,000, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, and so it's going on, right? So you just see here, there are a lot of results. So if you're typing AI, data science, machine learning, or anything in Google or in YouTube, you used to get millions and millions of results. So that is why I'm telling you guys, problem is not a lack of information. If you are asking the same question before 10 years, that may be a problem was lack of information. But now the problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. So again, I'm telling you the statement, the problem is not a lack of information. The problem is information overload. What actually people need is a clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. So people who are all out there, people who are all here, so you people are going to get those information in a precise way. And this is also going to be application-based learning too. Okay, so in this 30 days, what you're going to be learning, first of all, we are going to be covering up the Excel and Python, statistics, BI tools, databases, machine learning, deep learning, and NLP as well. So I'll be telling you why you really need to master those skills. Definitely, we are going to have get a clarity in this today's session. Don't worry. And this is me, myself, Sanjay. I'm working as a product manager in Pantech Solutions. And my technological expertise, which is about, first of all, I started my career in brain-computer interface technology. I hope you guys already know about the person, Elon Musk, right? So if you know about Elon Musk, you just post, I know Sanjay in your live chat. So while talking about him, he is also working in a technology called the brain and computer interface technology. You just think, guys, you are interfacing your brain with the computer. You can increase your memory power, where we used to face a lot of struggles in our exam days, like especially on the time of examinations. We can enhance our memory power and we can solve a lot of brain disorders. So likewise, there are a lot of researches going on under the company called Neuralink by the Elon Musk. So that is what the technology which I started my career first of all with the Pantech solutions. That is why the first technology brain computer interface. In the picture itself, I have here some device, the brain sense, which is our product, and I just started working on embedded system, especially the controllers like ARM and 805N, and I worked on Internet of Things concepts like some of the clouds like AWS and Azure kind of clouds, and then I just moved on to Python programming with artificial intelligence and R programming as well, and then I just moved on to robotic operating system, which is ROS, and like currently I'm just working on autonomous vehicle designs, and also I just completed studying like a blockchain technology, where we guys have conducted a lot of sessions on how to do a mining and cryptocurrencies. Those stuff we guys have explored a lot. So this was my complete technological expertise, which is about. And so before beginning the technical session, so you just want to stay till the end. So each and every material will be shared through Telegram group. Please join on the Telegram group. So the people who are all attending the whole session, those people are going to get a lot of bonuses. And today, those people who are all going to stay till the end, those people are going to get some amazing gift, which is the pendrive, which is a 32 GB pendrive, which I'm going to be provide for the person. So that task is going to be given at the end. Okay, if you're going to stay till the end, you just post I will stay Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so without wasting time, so let us begin this today's session, data science. So before going on to this topic, I really want to ask some question to you guys. You guys tell me, do you guys have doubt which is running in your mind? The doubt such as, Sanjay, what is the difference between AI, ML, DL? What is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? What is the difference between data scientist and data analyst? What are all the job roles which I can apply for? What is the roadmap to become complete data scientist? What is the roadmap to become a machine learning engineer? What is the roadmap to become a machine learning engineer or data analyst? And what are all the skills I need to get? What are the technical skills I need? What is the soft skills I need? And what is it? Like what is the difference between AI and ML? What is the relationship between AI, ML, DL? So likewise, if you guys have this kind of doubts which is running in your mind, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Thank you so much. Lot of people are posting I will stay. David, Rohit, Sushma, Vivek, Madhurja, and Sanskriti, and Swanand, and Tech, and Priyanka, Tanya, Mayuri, and Sujoy. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are mentioning my name. And Rajita, I'm totally new for this field. Don't worry. Even you guys have zero skills, even though you are from non-computer science background, you are not good at programming languages, you are not good at that technical fields. Don't worry. Okay, please stay connected with me on this 30-day series. I will be teaching you everything completely from the scratch, completely from installing the Python, installing the libraries, everything from the scratch. I'm gonna be teaching you guys. Okay, so if you all super ready for this today's technical session, you just post I'm super ready Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, are you guys all ready? Yes, lot of people are having that doubts which is running in their mind. So I will stay 100%. Wonderful. Okay, let us go to the session, guys. So first of all, before talking about artificial intelligence, so data scientist, which is like regarding through the data, with the help of data, you're going to solve a certain problem, of course. So while talking about, let us begin with AI. Okay, so because whenever we used to hear about the data science and those stuff, the first word which is coming into our mind is artificial intelligence. So that's why let us discuss about this AI. So before discussing that, let us have a wonderful interaction. So you guys tell me, what are all the artificial intelligence movies which you guys have watched so far? Because if you are asking to me, I love Iron Man. So likewise, you guys tell me what are all the AI based movies which you guys really love to watch. So you guys tell me, you guys share me what are all the artificial intelligence based movies which you really love. Okay, just share your comments in the live chat. Nasiru, thank you so much for posting. Yes, Super Sanjay, thank you so much. Lot of people are mentioning my name. Thank you so much for doing this, guys. Okay, just give your responses in the live chat. I'm gonna be reading your responses. Ex Machina, wonderful, yes, wonderful movie, yes. Robo, Iron Man 2.0, and we love subject, wonderful. Okay, so Iron Man and Marvel, yes, Terminator, and Interstellar, yes, wonderful movie, and Batman, Free Guy, yes, it is a recent movie, and Spider Man, yes, Transformers, yes, and Passenger, yes, wonderful movie. Thank you so much, guys. Matrix, great, great. There are a lot of people are loving movies. I think a lot of people are giving their responses. Wonderful. Debashish, thank you so much for your love and support. My favorite AI movie is Ex Machina. Wonderful, Deepak. I really love that movie too. The weird ending, right? Yes. Wonderful, guys. Lot of people have posted the answers. Yes. So, guys, whenever you used to watch a movie, like especially AI, so in each and every movie, there'll be one scientist who used to create one AI robot. So initially it will be good, and sometimes it will be turned into bad, and there will be a fight between good and then bad. So like that, it is usual thing. But if you are just observing AI, it is the enhanced version of the human being. It can do every task faster, right? So if you are talking about like what is it, Ex Machina, it is very very intelligent, where it is thinking abilities. And if you are talking about iRobot, there are some of the robots which it can perform very faster. So it is having its own aim and its own mission. So likewise, so it is gonna be enhanced version of the human being. So on the intelligence wise, on the action wise, everything. So it is gonna be enhanced version. For an example, let us begin with something, guys. Palkesh, I really love that movie. People who are allowed there, in the 30 days, I'll tell you one thing. I'm gonna be giving you lot of tips or lot of short bites. Okay. So the people, so each and every day, I'm gonna be giving some of the short bites. Okay, some days. Okay, on that list today, I'm gonna be giving one thing. Palkesh reminded that the movie name is Social Dilemma. You just watch that Social Dilemma documentary, guys. It is a wonderful movie, which is based on the social medias, how the AI is working, and how the advertisement is working, how you are taking the mobile phones. So likewise, how you are completely engaging into the mobile phone. So likewise, it is a wonderful movie. So please note it down. Okay, if you really love this kind of short bites, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so please watch that movie, guys. The movie name is The Social Dilemma. Okay, it is not a like normal movie. It is a documentary, but it is a wonderful movie which has been suggested by a lot of people. Please watch that movie, guys. Okay, if you really love this kind of short bites, you just post, I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so let us begin with the session. So while talking about the AI, for an example, you all people are here, right? So for an example, you have Patronum is here. So Patronum is going to create a Patronum robot. Okay, so if you want to create a robot like you just imagine you have some knowledge and you have some skills. Okay, for an example, how you will walk, how you will talk, and what's the style of presentation. So what is your style, right? So likewise, what you used to do is you used to transfer your knowledge to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act. Are you all clear? Okay. So for example, you are here. You are going to create, or you just imagine, you just visualize it. You are going to create a robot like you. Okay, like Indian robot. So Rajini is going to create a robot like him, right? So how he used to walk, and he used to program a lot of languages, lot of arts and skills. So likewise, you are going to program or you are going to create one AI robot. So how will you create an AI robot? For example, you are here, you are going to create a robot like you. So you have some knowledge. For an example, if I am going to show this object to you, okay, if I'm gonna show this object to you, what you will say, suddenly you will tell this is a mobile phone. So if I'm going to show this to you, you will tell this is a water bottle. So even it is also a knowledge. Okay, I'm not telling like knowledge is programming language, knowledge, C languages, designing. No, it is about general knowledge. Like generally, like you have lot of knowledge to recognize objects, to recognize smell, to recognize taste, to feel the temperature. So likewise, you have lot of knowledge. So what you really want to do is, because you are going to create a newborn baby, okay, because while talking about that robot which is a newborn baby, you are going to recreate that robot by feeding that knowledge. How can we do that? So we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data it is going to learn and it is going to act. That is what the AI means. Okay, are you all clear with this statement? If you are clear with the statement, you just post I'm clear, Sanjay, in your lecture, guys. Okay, so while talking about that, learning from the data which is going to solve a certain problem. Okay, that is what the AI. While talking about the AI, it is going to have two types. One is strong AI and another one is a weak AI. While talking about the strong AI, the AI which we used to see in the movies, those AI is being called as strong AI. While talking about the weak AI, the AI which is specifically designed for only one application, that is now also known as weak AI. Okay, general explanation, guys, general short bites. Okay, strong and then weak AI. Now, let us compare it with the human being, guys. What are all the things human will do? Okay, so let us compare and let us tell that. Okay, because that will be giving you the clear insights about this concept, guys. You guys tell me, for an example, you are all hungry. Okay, you're just sitting inside your home. So you are getting the very wonderful smell of the favorite dish. What is gonna be your emoji, guys? You just post your emojis on the live chat, because whenever you are sensing that smell as a human being by using the sensory organs, it may be like nose, it may be your tongue, it may be your senses. So by using the sensory organs, you can able to analyze something, identifying a pattern, and you can make a decision, guys. For an example, if you are smelling a biryani smell, so you will be feeling excited. Yes, it is a wonderful smell. I really need to eat the biryani. All right. So what the thing is, as a human being, you have that analyzing ability. You are analyzing the smell, you are identifying a pattern in it, and you will make a decision. This is biryani, this is a rotten egg smell. So likewise, that ability which is present in the human being. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are posting that funny emojis, the tasting emojis. Wonderful, wonderful. Thank you so much for giving the wonderful emojis, guys. So you human have that ability. So analyzing something, identifying a pattern, and making a decision. So if you want to transfer this ability to a AI robot, for example, it may be a robot, it may be a computer, it may be a machine. So if you want to transfer this ability, the data, let us assume, for an example, your data is supposed to have a numerical data. For an example, as a human being, you have sensory organs like nose and tongue, so likewise. And same as like for robots, we may put up some sensors, right? So the data is going to be a numerical data from the sensors, and the concepts such as machine learning and the deep learning, you can able to feed that ability to a robot, guys. Okay, so first of all, we have artificial intelligence. Inside that AI, we have machine learning. Inside the machine learning, we have a deep learning. So machine learning is the subset of AI. Deep learning is the subset of the machine learning. Okay, so let us begin with human having an ability to analyzing something, identifying a pattern, and making a decision. This ability can be given to a robot by using the concepts such as machine learning and deep learning. Okay, are you all clear with the first point? If you are super clear with the first point, you just post I'm satisfied. I'm super satisfied, Sanjay, in your live chat. And then second ability, human can listen and speak. So you guys tell me, if I'm here, I'm just talking to you, you are replying me. So what is the common thing which we need to have a mutual communication, guys? You just post your answers in the live chat. Because here we are going to transfer this ability, because human can able to listen and human can able to speak. So if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, you can use the data like text or audio data, and the concepts such as machine learning or deep learning, as well as you can also use natural language processing. Okay, so machine learning or deep learning and natural language processing. So by using this kind of methodology, you can able to transfer this listening and speaking ability to the human being, to the robot, guys. Yes, lot of people given the wonderful answer. Language is the very important thing. Exactly, guys. Okay, so that is what is all about. It is needed to have a mutual communication. So if we want to transfer this ability to a robot, we need to have a concept such as machine learning or deep learning and natural language processing. And the data is going to be in the format of text or audio data. Now, human can see and recognize. Whenever you are visualizing some object, you can able to see this and you can able to recognize what is the object is. So human can be having this ability. So if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, the data is going to be image or video data, and by using the method called computer vision and deep learning, you can able to train. Okay, so that is what it's all about. Okay, so I'm repeating only for you again, guys. First of all, here we have artificial intelligence. Inside that we have machine learning. Inside that we have deep learning. So while talking about the general analyzing and identifying a pattern and making decision, we can simply use machine learning or deep learning. And if you want to handle an images, definitely we need to get a help from computer vision and deep learning. If you are going to handle text data or audio data, you need to get help from the natural language processing with that machine learning or deep learning. Okay, so likewise we can use these concepts. Okay, if you are super satisfied now, you just post and clear Sanjay in your live chat. So artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. So we'll explore a little bit in detail on the upcoming part. So are you all clear with this? Okay, so if you are super clear with this, you just post I'm super clear Sanjay in your live chat. So we used to handle images, we used to handle audio data, we used to handle text data, we used to handle numerical data. Everything it can be processed with the help of machine learning or deep learning or computer vision, natural language processing and etc. Okay, these are all the concepts, guys. Now, if you are asking to me, Sanjay, for an example, if I want to start doing some project, from where can I begin? First of all, what you really need is you need a data, guys. Let us begin with the example. So for an example, if your robot want to recognize mobile phone and water bottle, so if this is the task for your robot, so what is the first task you need to do is you need to collect the data, guys. While talking about data, I'll collect 10,000 images of mobile phone, 1,000 images of water bottle, because for an example, let us interact further. Okay, let us bring this session to be a little bit fun. So you guys tell me, like you just imagine, for an example, if I'm going to show Nokia 110, so Nokia 110 keypad mobile phones to baby who are all here now, so they just throw away, right? So they just throw away that mobile phone. They won't recognize, they won't tell that is a mobile phone because they guys haven't used it. But if you are talking about the people who are all out there, so who are all born before like 80s or 90s or 2000 sometimes, so they guys have used keypad mobile phones, they guys have used touchscreen mobile phones, they guys are using infinity display mobile phones. So this knowledge, the people who are having that. So if you want to transfer this ability to a robot within a single day, because if your age is 26 or 27, for the 27 years, you guys have lot of knowledges. You guys have seen lot of mobile phone models. You guys have seen lot of water bottle models. So you have that knowledge. So that's what the first task is. We need to provide lot of data, guys. Okay. So we need to provide the data. We need to collect as much data we can. Same as like if your robot want to recognize a mobile phone and water bottle, you need to collect 1,000 images of mobile, 1,000 images of water bottle. So that is what the first step, collecting the data. Okay, and then the second step, which is like data preparation. Data preparation is like data cleaning or data transformation. So if you want to convert that format into a different format or removing the unwanted data, so likewise we need to work on the data preparation, like data cleaning. So that is what the second step is about. And third step, choosing a model. So you just want to choose. Either will you go for computer vision or deep learning, or will you go for natural language processing, or you're going for machine learning. So likewise, we just want to choose a model or algorithm. That is going to be your third step. Okay. And then fourth step, which is training. So we used to apply for the training. So we used to train that model for, we used to train the data which we guys have collected for training process. So we need to train it. That is what the fourth step. And fifth step, we need to evaluate. Evaluation in the sense like we need to know the performance of the model. So what is your accuracy of the model? What is the loss of the model? So likewise, we need to see the performance of the model. So that is what the evaluation. And sixth step, which is like parameter tuning. This is optional. So if you are getting 95.1% accuracy, you can tune some of the parameter to get the better accuracy. So you just want to tune some of the parameters. That is what the sixth step. And seventh step, prediction. So finally, if you have got 99.9% accuracy, we can able to do the prediction for final output classifications. That is what is all about these steps. Okay, if you are super satisfied with the step, you just post "I'm happy Sanjay" in your live chat, guys. Okay, I'm repeating you again. There are there are some of the steps. The first step is we need to collect the data, and we need to prepare or clean the data, and we need to choose a model or algorithm or process or methodologies, and we need to train the data with the help of the algorithm which we guys have loaded, and then we guys have we are going to evaluate to see the model performance, how much of accuracy, how much loss. So likewise we need to see the performance. If the performance is not good, we are going to evaluate our model. We are going to tune some of the parameter to get the better accuracy. And once you got the better accuracy, you need to do the prediction. So that is what is all about the seventh step. Thank you so much, guys. Lot of people are posting that I'm happy, I'm happy, I'm happy. Thank you so much. Some people are posting not clear. Okay, I'm repeating again. First of all, if your robot want to do some task, you have some 7 steps, okay, in the AI. First of all, we need to collect the data. For an example, I used to choose, for an example, if my robot want to recognize mobile and water bottle, first step is gathering the data. What I'll do is, I'll collect 1000 images of mobile phone, 1000 images of water bottle. That's my first step. And second step, data preparation, which is like cleaning my data, like good data or unwanted data. So likewise, I used to remove the unwanted images. So likewise, I used to prepare my data. And third one, choosing a model. So let me ask a question, guys. You guys tell me. I want to my model, my what is it? My AI robot want to recognize mobile phone or water bottle. So will I go for natural language processing or deep learning? So you guys tell me, will I go for natural language processing or deep learning, guys? You guys post your answers in the lecture. Let us see who is going to give the answers. Okay, and then once you are guys have chosen the algorithm and model, we used to do the training. And once the training is completed, we need to see the performance of the model. That can be done with the help of evaluation process. Once they evaluated, it will tell me this is the accuracy of your model, this is the loss of the model, this is the sensitivity of the model. So likewise, it is going to show the performance of the model. So once it is shown the performance of the model, we are going to tune some of the parameters. If you are not getting the better performance, you just want to tune some of the performance to get the better accuracy. And then finally, we need to do the prediction to get the output results. Yes, wonderful, guys. Lot of people have posted the right answer. The answer is deep learning. Exactly, guys. It is really showing that you people are not simply sitting, and you people are really attending the session sharply. You just do one thing, guys. You just post applause emojis in the live chat, guys. Okay, I'll also post that applause emojis in the live chat. So please post applause emojis, guys, because it is really great that people who are all out there are posting the applause emojis. Sorry, people who are all posting the wonderful answers. Please post applause emojis for each and every people who guys have given the wonderful answers, guys. Thank you so much for giving answers. Okay, this is what is all about these steps. Now, I'm going to be giving out the clear idea about this data scientist and those stuff, guys. For an example, guys, try to come with me. Okay, this is a very important thing. This 7th step, you just remind the 7th step, and AI's definition also, you just remind that. Okay, you have one problem. You are going to solve that certain problem as you are an AI engineer. So for an example, you are working in a company. For an example, you are working in some automobile company like BMW showroom, car showroom, or something like that. So you are a business analyst or data analyst, for an example. So what you will be provided is, they are going to provide their old data. So old data, they like customer informations, sales, profit, taxes, everything they are going to provide it to you. So what you are going to do is, you are going to acquire the data. That is what the first step. And you are going to clean the data, removing the unwanted data. And you are going to do the data visualization. So as you are a data analyst, you just want to work on the area of data visualization. You can also use with programming or without programming. So nowadays, programming is very essential for data analysts, but you can also do without programming as well. There are a lot of tools as well. So if you want to become a data analyst, you can start at working on some data visualization. You can mandatory skills like Excel, business intelligence tools, databases, except the programming. So you can be there itself. So as you are a data analyst, you will acquire the data, you will transform the data, you will clean the data, you will do the data visualization. By visualizing the data, you can able to get the end results, or you can suggest your team, this is the profit we used to get in this month. So in this month we applied this strategy, so we can able to apply for that. So likewise, you just want to give the clear insights about the data. As you are a data analyst, you just want to completely work on the data. So it is like mid part. Okay, data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, and data visualization. So this is what the role of data analyst. And the second half role is by machine learning. So what a machine learning engineer will do is, the clean data is already there. So you are going to use the data and you will use to apply different machine learning algorithms or different deep learning algorithms even. You used to apply different machine learning or deep learning algorithms to identify which is going to give the prediction results. So what is going to be the sales on 2025, 2023, what is going to be profit? So likewise, you are going to predict the end results. So that is what the role of machine learning engineer. So for the machine learning or deep learning engineer, programming language is mandatory. Okay, either you can go for any programming, let us discuss later. So that is what is all about machine learning or deep learning engineer. So you just want to tell the end results. You just want to predict the end results. Okay, that is what the role of machine learning or deep learning. Where if you are talking about the whole part, data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, data visualization, applying machine learning or deep learning for prediction, final end results or data visualization. If you are doing the start to end results, start to end task, you are going to be called as data scientist. Okay, so if after completed this part of the session, if you are brain blinked on, if you really got a clear idea about it, you just post it, blink the Sanjay in your life. Okay, so that is what the complete role of data scientist, guys. Initially, you don't need to become a data scientist. You can apply for a data analyst and you can work as a data analyst. And parallelly, you can learn programming languages, machine learning, and you can also become a data scientist. There is also another option. You can only become a computer vision engineer, guys. That is also another option is there. Okay, so only either you can also become a deep learning or computer vision engineer. You are not gonna work on Excel. You are not gonna work on like other sources like what to say. You are not going to work on text data or audio data. You are going to simply work on images, where that engineer is going to be called as machine learning engineer. Computer vision or deep learning engineers. Okay, so that is what the clear idea, guys. I'm repeating only for you guys. Again, for an example, you are acquiring the data from the database, either from the programming or without programming. So data acquisition, data transformation, data cleaning, data visualization, a role for a data analyst. And the second part, by using the data, you can also do the end results. You can predict the data, you can predict the results. So likewise, if you are giving the end results, you are being called as a machine learning engineer. If you are working from the start to end, you will be called as a data scientist. Okay, so that is what the clear idea. And also there is an option to become a computer vision or deep learning engineer, where you will be working on only the images or video. For an example, autonomous vehicles, yes. So where you will be completely working as a deep learning or computer vision engineer. Okay, so if you all super satisfied up to now, if you all enjoyed the session up to now, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your lecture, guys. Did you guys enjoy the session up to now? If you guys have enjoyed the session up to now, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your lecture. Okay, I really want each and every people who are out there want to be super satisfied. I really don't want the session to be one way. I'm teaching next, going next. I really want each and every people who want to be super clear. Okay, so super clear with the concepts and everything which I'm teaching here. So if you are not understood something, please feel free to tell I didn't understood. Or else you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your lecture, guys. Thank you so much. Lot of people are posting I enjoyed. Wonderful, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so there will be a detailed explanation on the machine learning and deep learning on the upcoming session, guys. Don't worry about it. But now there are some of the very important topics which we are going to be covering up on the upcoming part. So like what are the job roles which you can apply for, what are all the mandatory skills, how this 30 days is being framed. So likewise, a very important session is going to be there on the upcoming time. Okay, remaining 30 to 40 minutes I'm going to take the class. Okay, so definitely it is not going to be boring, because it is a very important thing which we really want to get, because the roadmap I'm going to be giving the clear roadmap to become a complete data scientist and the complete skills needed for the industry and applications of AI. So likewise, we are going to be covering up the very important topics further. Okay, so I hope you are going to stay till the end, those two, so that you are going to get this value, and those so that you are going to get the pendrive task, and those so that you are going to get that attachment. So please stay till the end so that you are going to get the feel, you are going to feel the more value today. Okay, so before going on to the session further, there is another announcement is there, which is about internship, guys. We are also providing an internship program. Lot of people have already registered for an internship. So here there is a differentiation between the internship and the webinar, because the people who are all watching the session in YouTube, this is the webinar category you are. So fees is free. Yes, you can attend 30 days free webinar, and platform is YouTube. And whereas in internship, the per course we used to charge 1,499 rupees per course. And for a platform for internship, we'll be providing the separate course portal, which is learn.pantecsolutions.net, where it will have the video recording lectures. Like you just see here, data analytics. So this is the video lectures. So likewise, we'll be providing this 30 days recording portal. So this is what this LMS portal, and recordings. No recording will be there for YouTube webinar participants, whereas for internship, complete recording will be there. And material, yes. And for internship is also yes. And source code, we are not going to be providing the high-end source code. Basic source code I'll provide, but high-end source code which is going to be given for internship, because in the final day, I think we'll be covering up the COVID-19 reduction. So likewise, a lot of projects, advanced projects also there. So that kind of source code which is going to be covering up with for the internship participants. And Q&A only on live, but for internship live and forum is there. Community no, but for internship participant there is yes. And bonus live session yes. Hackathon is yes. Internship yes. And certificate. So UT participants are going to get the webinar certificate, whereas the internship participants are going to get the internship certificate. So what we are providing is, we are providing this data analytics internship, which is covering up the Excel, Python, statistics, BI tools, database, and machine learning and deep learning. So which is having a 30 days of video lectures. And we are providing a What is Way community. What is meant by What is Way community is, we are having social media, private social media, for knowing the upcoming events like hub.whatisway. This is what our hub which is looking like. So private social media is there. So and weekly mastermind. So each and every week we used to update new lectures and bonus tasks and then assignments and technical materials, which includes PowerPoint presentation, mind map, source code, data sets, trained model file, everything you are going to get. And finally, internship certificate, which you are going to get for data analytics internship, which we are providing at the price of 1,499 rupees, which is really worth of 10,000 rupees, but we are providing at the price of 1,499 rupees. But today is our first day, so that's why I'm gonna be offering you one thing. Are you all really excited to know the offer? So what the offer which I'm gonna be providing is, so already the people who already registered for data analytics at the price of 1,499, those people are also going to get that advantage. Don't worry about it. So what is the launch offer is? I'm having the plan. So this is also another internship. Okay, which is also, so previously we have only focused on data analyst. Which covered only like Excel, Python, statistics, BI tools, database, machine learning, and deep learning. But we are providing this artificial intelligence, which covered up Python, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, chatbot, AI, cloud, AI hardware. So likewise, we are providing artificial intelligence internship, which is also providing at the price of 1,499 rupees, which is also another individual internship. And also we are providing machine learning internship is also there. So which is completely focused on only machine learning internship, which is covering up like 28 plus algorithms with 28 plus projects, which is also we are providing at the price of 1,499 rupees. Okay, likewise we have 3 courses, which each and every courses which is about the price of 1,499 rupees, 1,499. But the people who are all out there, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna be providing 2 courses absolutely free. The people who are all going to register data analytics course, those people are going to get AI course and machine learning course, which is worth of 1499 each course, which is worth of 1499, which is absolutely free. So totally we are going to provide 3 courses. How many of you people are really love this offer? If you really love this offer, you just post I love this Sanjay in your life. So we are providing these 3 courses at the price of same 999 rupees. Yes. So this is also not providing at the price of 1499. Instead, I am just offering these 3 courses at the price of 999. If you really love this offer, you just post I love this Sanjay in your life chat, guys. And also, what is the launch day? So this is actually offer which I am gonna provide it to you. And additionally, what is the additional offer which I am gonna be providing it to you is, since it is that today's is the first launch of Data Science Masterclass series, I'm gonna be providing the Python course as well. If you really want additional one course, which is Python course, which I'm gonna be providing at the price of 1,299 rupees. Okay, which is gonna be providing the 4 courses at the price of 1,299 rupees. The 4 courses, which is Python course, data analytics course, machine learning course, and AI course. 4 courses at the price of 1,299 rupees. And or else, if you're really looking for some valuable certificate, so like even though this our certificate is valuable because it is an internship certificate, but if you really looking for the brand partners, so if you're looking for that kind of valid certificate, so we are also offering that also. So we are providing IET certification, IET Mumbai, which we are offering the same 4 courses at the price of 1,499 rupees. So this is the value ladder which we are showing now. There are 3 ladders here all out there. So you'll be getting this 3 link which is going to be posted in the description. The first is 999 rupees, where you're going to be getting 3 courses: AI, machine learning, data analytics. This certification, so you are going to get 3 internship certificate: AI internship certificate, machine learning internship certificate, and data analytics internship certificate. And IET certification, no IET certification, but because by the validity, this is the 6 months validity. Whereas while talking about rupees 1,299 bundle, you are going to get 4 courses: AI, machine learning, data analytics, and Python. So 4 courses and 4 internship certificate, but no IET certification with 6 months validity. But if you are going for 1,499 package, you are going to get 4 courses: AI, machine learning, data analytics, Python, with 4 internship certificate plus 1 IET certification for data analytics. Totally, you're going to be getting 5 internship certificate, guys. Okay, out of that 5 internship certificate, 1 certification is going to be certified by IET Mumbai and with the validity of 1 year, guys. Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. So let us begin with the session. So let us go for the job roles, guys. If you really want to register for the internship, I've given the link in the description. You just click that link and register for it. Now let us go for the job roles. Okay, so while talking about the job roles, there are a lot of job roles which you can able to apply for. So for an example, job roles are sales analyst, operation analyst, customer success analyst, market research analyst, marketing analyst, business analyst, financial analyst, machine learning engineer, data architect, data scientist, data mining specialist, cloud architect, cyber security analyst, analyst manager, business analyst, statistician, machine learning engineer, data scientist, data analyst, data architect, database administrator. So likewise, we are providing, likewise, there are a lot of job roles which you can able to apply for. Now, the very important topic. Sanjay, if I really want to become a complete data scientist, what are all the skills I need to get? There is an option, as I already told you. If you want to only become a deep learning engineer, you can also become. So you can master only Python and computer vision and deep learning, you can become a deep learning engineer or computer vision engineer. But other than that, if you want to become a data scientist, just see here. Here we are providing this values. Okay, so you just see here, guys. Some people are spreading some negativities, guys. As based on our commitment, we are providing that 30 days values completely free on this YouTube as well. Okay, it is your option whether if you really want to upgrade your knowledge, you just pay for it and go for value and feel the value and get whatever you really whatever the value which we are providing there. But if you are really wanted to stick it on the YouTube for free, you can attend this. But I'll tell you one code, guys. Don't be cheap on the way to the greatness. If you really want to become something, if you really want to feel some value, and if you really want to get something big, definitely you just want to give something in return. Because will you work for free in your company? No, right? So definitely we really want to spend some amount of money to get some values, guys. Okay, please try to come out from that kind of zone. Okay, because I learn for free everything. and I'll work with the higher salary. Definitely, we need to invest some amount of money to earn or to learn lot of knowledge, because we guys haven't created this complete course within 1 day or within 1 month or within 1 year. We guys have spent a lot of years to prepare it in a very precise manner, to provide every courses in a very precise way, and attachments and projects, everything we guys have taken a lot of time. Okay, please understood this, and don't be cheap on the way to the greatness, and please explore that. And I can give you the open challenge to compare our course agenda with other course providers, and if you are really feeling the value, just click that link and register for it, guys. Okay, now you just see here, roadmap to become a data scientist. If you really want to become a data scientist, what are the job roles which you can able to apply for? Okay, so first of all, the first skill which you need to get is Excel. So a lot of people will have very what is it? Like a lot of people will think that, do I need to learn Excel? Yes, because Excel is not a very small tool. It is really a very large tool where you can do lot more stuff. You can create a dashboards, you can do automations, lot of things which is hidden out there, guys. In our data analytics internship, we guys have covered everything in detail. So Excel is the very mandatory skills which we need to get, because a lot of data is going to be in the format of numerical data, which is going to be provided in the Excel sheets. So Excel is the first skill which we need to get. So without programming, I'm talking about. And then second skill, statistics. So while talking about the statistics is the backbone of the data analyst, guys. Guys, how many of you people are remember the words such as mean, standard deviation, and variance? How many of you people remember that? If you remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so you just tell me if you remember that, those kind of things which you used to study in your school days. You just tell me, I remember Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, so you just tell me, so that is what this thing is about. So statistics is going to be the backbone of our data analyst or data scientist, because we really want to know about how to handle the data. If you are facing some problem, like if you are having missing the data, if you are missing some of the data, you can apply some statistical skills to overcome those kind of problems. So statistical skill is also a mandatory skill. The first skill is Excel, second skill is statistics. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting the responses. Komal, Ganesh, and Abhyodhan, Pavinash, thank you so much. Thank you so much for mentioning my name. Jishnu, Samuel, and Steffi, Lakshmi Srinivasan, thank you so much. Harish, thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are posting, I remember. Okay, then third one, programming language. It is not only about a Python. Third one is a programming. There are a lot of programming languages which you can able to choose for, guys. Number one, Python. Number two, R programming. So I'll give that in here itself. Programming. So you can also choose Python or R programming, guys. Okay, but while asking to me, Sanjay, which programming I need to choose first, I'll always suggest Python, guys, because I'll give another short bite today, because I really know you guys really love the short bites. Guys, nowadays, a lot of embedded boards are coming, guys. You just see here, people who are from electronics department, they may know. Okay, so let us see that. You just see here, these are like some of the advanced development boards, like Zinc 7000 series kind of boards, like FPGA boards. If you are talking about this kind of boards, like some kind of electronics boards which they are manufacturing, they are making that board nowadays. It is compatible with the Python programming, but usually it is not compatible with the Python programming usually. But nowadays, every boards, every development boards, every electronical boards which they are just offering, that boards are coming with the Python programming compatibility. So that's why I'm telling you guys, please go for Python programming. Our programming is also okay, but other than that, learning, deploying, and developing. So on every aspect, Python programming is super cool, guys. So that's why I used to suggest Python programming is a wonderful programming languages. Please choose that. Okay, that is the third skill which you need to get, programming language skills. And fourth one, data visualization. So there are a lot of data visualization which you can apply for. So you can do it in with the help of Excel. You can do it with the help of other tools as well. You can also do it with the help of programming languages as well. So data visualization, we need to work a lot. And NumPy and Pandas, these are all some of the library which is going to be helpful for performing some mathematical operations or handling a data sets. So while talking about a Python programming languages, everything is just about libraries. So we need to get the skills about the library called NumPy and Pandas library. And then BI tools. There are a lot of BI tools are there. For an example, the most popular BI tools are Tableau. So you'll be learning, guys. You'll be learning on this upcoming series. Don't worry. Sanjay, what are you telling? You are telling like data visualization, NumPy, BI tools, Tableau, Power BI. So you are telling lot more stuff. I really don't know what the hell it is. Don't worry, guys, because we'll be learning in this 30 days. Don't worry about it. So BI tools. This is one of the business intelligence tools. There are a lot of business intelligence tools are there. Tableau, Power BI. Likewise, this is the 6 skills which you need to get. BI tool skills and databases skills. Databases skills like SQL, like MySQL or MongoDB. So likewise, we need to get the skills like database skills. And then the 8th skill, which is machine learning. Okay, yes, of course, machine learning, we need to do the predict end results. So under the machine learning, we need to work on different algorithms like under the category of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, reinforcement learning. Okay, so R, kindly answer me this question. Guys, if you guys have questions, please hold on your question. I'll be answering your questions on the Q&A session because Q&A session is going to be conducted at the end of the session. I'm really sorry not for answering your question, guys. Please accept my apologies. And if you are having a question, please ask your questions on the end of the session, guys, on the Q&A. I'm really sorry. Okay. So yeah, so we need to get the skills like machine learning, and deep learning is optional. Before they won't ask for the deep learning knowledge, but nowadays they are asking, guys, so that definitely deep learning skills is also needed. Okay. So these are all the roadmap, guys. Okay. If you really love this roadmap, you just post I love this Sanjay in your lecture, guys. I'm listing out the roadmap. First of all, Excel, statistics, programming languages. Under the programming, you can go for Python, you can go for R programming, you can go for C++ as well, and data visualization skills, NumPy and Pandas skill, BI tools like Tableau or Power BI, database skills like NoSQL or MySQL, MongoDB, and machine learning skills, deep learning skills. So these are all the skills which we need to get to become a complete data scientist. Okay, if you really love this, you just post I love this, I'm enjoying this. Likewise, you just spread some lot of positive words in the live chat, guys. Definitely, it is gonna be bringing up lot of energy to me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lot of hearts and lot of love is here. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, and still, whenever you are just observing out of the box, whenever a lot of people are done the mistake, because I used to get this kind of suggestion which has been given by a lot of people. So that's why I really want to give some more short bites additionally, because whenever you are observing this out of the box, okay, I'm an introvert, I know the skills, but I don't know how to showcase. Can I sustain the field of data scientist? Definitely not, because we need to get lot of other skills when comparing or whether seeing out of this box. Because even you are good at Excel, even though you are good at machine learning, even though you are good at BI tools, even though you are good at data visualization, you really want to present it in an effective way. Because as you are a business analyst, for an example, you are a business analyst, you need to get the complete idea about your business first. What you guys are selling, what is our profit, what is our loss, what are all our top selling products. So likewise, you just want to completely understand about your business first. Then the skills you need it. Okay, business skills you need, your business skills especially. It is not about general business skills. It is about in which company you are working on, your business skills. And then you need to get these skills. With the help of that, collaborating with that, and you will make wonderful dashboards. Likewise, you will use to create. Yes, of course, you will create that. But as you are a business analyst, you want to solve a problem of a company. Okay. So like you just want to give a suggestion to a company. You just want to contribute to a company about their growth, right? So you really want to get a lot of skills on that as well. So on that aspect, I'm going to be listing out some of the skills, additional skills which you really want to have. Because whenever you are listening to this 5 point, you will tell this is very simple. No, definitely this is also going to be needed. I'll tell you those skills, guys. First of all, data preparation skills. Data preparation is about how you are handling a data. You should not waste the data. You should not waste the features. you should use the data effectively. You should not use the unwanted data. So likewise, you just want to use the data effectively. That is what the data preparation. That is what the first point. And then number crunching. So how you are handling the numbers, how you are applying the statistical skills. If your data set is having lot of missing numbers, how you are handling that. Okay. Likewise, how you are handling the numbers, because numbers is a very important thing. If you are doing some mistakes in the numbers, it will affect your overall dashboards in a unimaginable way. We are going to be having that session on our machine learning on the upcoming days, guys. Don't miss out the upcoming session, because I'm going to be applying 2 different statistical methods, and I'm going to be sharing you how that statistical method is going to be affecting my whole prediction results. How you are handling the numbers. So that is what the second skill you need to get. And third, storytelling. You'll get the shock. Sanjay, do I need to get the storytelling skills? Yes. Guys, how you are creating a charts. How the charts really looking very attractive. For an example, guys, you have some numbers for an example. Okay, let me show you. Okay, wait a minute. I'm not sure where there is the numbers are there. Okay, so yeah, so you just see there. These are all some numbers I have. So by simply observing the numbers, you can't able to make a decision. Can you able to make some decision? Is that just numbers like 11,000, 23,000, 2,23,000? This number, you can't able to make any decision by the numbers. So we really want to good at to create a charts, and you really want to good at storytelling. You really want to get at good at formatting, like how you are designing it, and presentation skill, visual design skills. So likewise, you need to get those skills as well, guys. Okay, so these are all the storytelling skills which you really want to get. Guys, are you all still with me, guys? If you are still with me, just post "I'm with you, Sanjay" in your live chat, guys. And fourth skill, asking question. Sanjay, what I want to ask a question? Yes. Guys, you just imagine you are working in some facial product company. Okay, you are having a data. Definitely, you guys tell me, is gender is going to play a role in that business or not? You just give your answers in the light. Okay, that is a facial product company. You having a whole amount of data, like country wise, state wise, gender, phone numbers, and skin tone wise, any lot of data you have. You guys tell me, is gender is going to play a role? Yes. Some people posted the answer. Yes, gender is going to play a role, because facial product definitely it is more suitable. Lot of importance is going to be given for the females, right? So likewise, we need to ask a lot of questions to your task giver, like what columns do you need, what features do you need, which should I include, which should I exclude, how to display. Likewise, you need to have that skills asking a question. Thank you so much, guys. Still now the session time is got over. There is not even single negativity message. Sanjay, time is over. Please end the session. No, I haven't seen that kind of messages here. Instead, I'm just seeing yes, Sanjay, definitely yes. Likewise, you are just replying for my question. I feel really happy. Thank you so much. Keep on doing this, guys. I really love you guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so these are the skills we need to get. Asking question skills. And finally, technological skills, like which we guys have discussed, like tables, formulas, pivot tables, chart, dashboard, PowerPoint, Power Query, VBA macros for automation, Tableau, Power BI. So likewise, we need to get those technical skills as well. Okay, so these are all about this skills, guys. I hope you really enjoyed this session up to now. Okay, these are like additional bonus which I really want to share with you, just like applications. For an example, if you really want to do fruit and then vegetable classification. For an example, if your company is cultivating a lot of fruits in a specific day, if you really want to segregate good fruit versus rotten fruit, so definitely we require a very huge manpower. So a lot of companies already there. I think wait a minute, I'll check that out in a YouTube. I can show that. Okay, I'm really not sure I can show it or not. Okay, but so a lot of segregators are there where they just deploying a deep learning algorithms which it is going to recognize the rotten fruits and good fruits. They just can able to segregate those fruits in a very short span of time by using the deep learning method, deep learning techniques. and AI in cooking, guys. This is a wonderful application I really want to share with you. So how many of you people are here a vegetarian? Or if you are a non-vegetarian, you just post I'm non-vegetarian. If you are vegetarian, you just post I'm vegetarian. Okay, so yeah, so you just tell me, because I'll tell you one wonderful application which is out there. AI in cooking. What is the application AI? What the AI is playing a role? Because we are just simply thinking like house price prediction, land price prediction, autonomous vehicle. Yes, of course it is there, but AI is playing a major role in lot of application which we can't even able to imagine that. So I'll tell you that application, guys. What is that application is? We can able to make chicken burger without using chicken. Is it a bit confusing, guys? You guys tell me. Okay, if you are a non-vegetarian, you guys tell me what are all the features, or what is the features on a chicken, guys. You guys tell me what are all the features are present in the chicken. Okay, so you just share your comments in the live chat. Okay, so what are all the features are there in the chicken product? Okay, so you guys share your answers in the live chat, because while talking about the chicken, definitely smell is gonna be there, and texture is gonna be there, taste is gonna be there, color is gonna be there. So these are all gonna be the features, right? So when talking about those features, what is all about AI is we can able to make the chicken without using a chicken, which is like we can able to analyze the certain companies already doing that. So we can analyze the molecular structure of the chicken, like comparing it with the same molecular structure which is present in the vegetational product like cabbage, carrot, like what is a beetroot for color. So likewise, by comparing the molecular structure of this chicken product with the molecular structure of the veg product, we can produce same kind of chicken without using the chicken, guys. I hope you really love this application. If you is really feeling interesting, you just post it's interesting Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what this AI is playing its role, guys. We are just simply thinking a very less application, but AI is playing a wonderful role on lot of applications, guys. Okay, so and then AI in autonomous vehicle. I think you guys have already know about the autonomous vehicle. So this is the picture which you are seeing, which is being captured by how the Tesla autonomous vehicle will see the roads. Okay, so you guys tell me, if the robot or if the car want to drive by itself, what all the challenges are there? So let us see who is going to give the wonderful answers, guys. Okay, it is a wonderful question. Please give the answers effectively. Okay, so I'm asking a question which is like, if the car want to drive from one place to another place by itself, what all the challenges are there? Okay, so say more, Sanjay. Thank you so much, Harshavardhan, for posting that. Wonderful, interesting, wonderful. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, so thank you so much. Okay, so just see here. Let us see the picture, and you guys tell me what are the challenges are there. Because while talking about the car's autonomous ability, traffic, yes. Object recognition, yes. ADAS, yes. Wonderful. Road alignment, wonderful, yes. Okay, so I'll list down some of the points. Number one, it need to know the driving first. Applying brakes, applying accelerators, steerings, horns, indicators. It need to know the driving. That's the first thing. And second thing, it need to have the GPS locations, like from here to from where we need to go. So that navigation, the path to reach the destination, that is the second thing you need to have. And third thing, lane detection and lane following. Lane is nothing but the white color line which is present on the road. It should see the lane. If there is no traffic, it can overtake, or else it should follow the single lane. That's what the third challenge. Lane detection and lane tracking. And fourth, it should detect the vehicles, or it should detect the obstacles, like whether there is a vehicle, whether the person is crossing the road. So pedestrian detection or vehicle detection or tree detection or any other object detection. That is what the fourth object. Fourth application, fourth challenge, and fifth challenge. So like fourth challenge is nothing but it should not collide with any object. So object collision avoidance, that is what the fourth challenge. And fifth challenge, road sign recognition. Like stop sign means it should stop. Speed limit 20 kilometer means it should reduce the speed limit to 20 kilometer speed. So likewise, that is the fifth challenge. And sixth challenge, which is like traffic light. Red means it should stop, green means it should go. So likewise, we have lot of challenges like this, guys. Okay, guys, I'm giving a wonderful short bite to you. I hope you really love this. Please have your attention on here. If you are really with me, you just post I'm with you, Sanjay in your life. So likewise, here we have this much of challenges. You just imagine, I'm having only one sensor in my car. Like, let me put ultrasonic sensor in my car. Will it be solved this 6 challenges? Definitely not. This single sensor is really not sufficient to solve these 6 problems. We really need lot of sensors. In the autonomous vehicle, I'll list down some of the sensors they used to have, because it is going to be a very valuable session for you. I really trust that. People used to use ultrasonic, which is based on the sound technology. They used to put the ultrasonic in front of the car and left side of the car, right side of the car, back side of the car. So likewise, they used to place like 4 to 6 ultrasonic sensor on each directions. Okay, even though nowadays every vehicles are having ultrasonic sensor behind the car, there will be a silver color circle. How many of you guys have noticed that? If you guys have noticed that, you just post I noticed this, Sanjay in your life. Thank you so much, Harshavardhan, for posting. You are saying wonderfully, Sanjay. Thank you so much. Okay, that kind of sensor you can also see in some of the cars. That is ultrasonic sensor. That is the first sensors they'll use. And second, they'll put some lidars. Lidars is based on the light, guys. Okay, light rays. It is going to be helpful for detecting the obstacles. So there is also applicable for 2D lidars and 3D lidars. I really want to show that to you guys. I really excited to show that. There are a lot of lidars are there. I'll try to show some of the specific lidar. Okay, you just see here. This is one kind of RP lidar which we guys have used for autonomous vehicle design. Just see here. It's just like 2D mapping. Okay, there are 2D lidars as well as there is also a 3D lidars also there. So which is like lidar. Okay, so lidar, so taking detecting the obstacles. This is also a one kind of lidar sensor. Okay, so detecting the obstacles. You just see here how the lidar is working. Okay, this is based on the light. This is also one of the sensor, lidar. And third sensor they use to have is a radar. Okay, which is based on the radio frequencies. Okay, which is like radar. So definitely radar is also needed. And fourth, GPS. Of course, it is needed. So GPS. And fifth one, the very important thing, cameras. Cameras with AI application. It is not only for the surveillance. It is for detecting the obstacles, because by using the lidar, by using the radar, definitely if it is a 3D, it can able to identify. But by talking about the traffic light and those stuff, it is really impossible to detect with the help of lidars. So that's why we can come up with cameras as well. They'll put up with one camera on the forward and another camera on the backward. So likewise, the concept which is known as sensor fusion. Okay, so the concept which is known as a sensor fusion, with the help of that, what we can do is we can combine the results which we are acquiring from every sensors, and we can apply the machine learning or deep learning or combination of ML and DL to get the results, whether I need to apply the brake or whether we need to turn left, whether we need to turn right. In Tesla, they won't use lidar, I think. Okay, Elon is not using lidar. Instead, he is just using cameras and those stuffs. Okay, so this is what the thing, guys. By using the sensor fusion, by applying the methodologies like computer vision, deep learning, machine learning, so they used to get the end results for the better performance. If you really love my explanation, you just post I love this explanation, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. This is one of the short by today. And then AI doctor, of course. In the COVID times, it is highly needed. Without having any with having a social distancing, with the help of this AI robot, it can ask whatever it really wants. Shubham, please don't do the spamming. Okay, if you're really coming for the attendance, please leave the session, guys. Okay, if you really want to interact only regarding to the attendance, certificates, those things, please leave the session, guys. Okay. So yeah. So we're talking about this AI doctor. You just imagine. I'm going to deploy AI there, like deep learning there, NLP there, chatbot there, voice assistant there. So whenever the person is standing in front of that robot, it will recognize person is standing in front of in front of the robot. Hi, what is your name? It will take a record. It will recognize the face. It will keep the record. Do you have a fever? It will sense the temperature by using a thermal cameras, and it will tell. Do you have breathing problem? What problem you have? Select the problem you have. Type the problem you have. So likewise, it can ask whatever the question it really want to ask. Like it is like a virtual doctor. It's like a robot doctor. So likewise, it can suggest lot more things, or else it can act like a receptionist. So your appointment will be fixed on tomorrow morning AI, morning 9 a.m. So likewise, you can able to program your robot like this. Okay, that is what the AI doctor application is all about. And fifth one, disease. So you can able to predict the disease with the help of the medical images as well. In Madurai, there is Aravind Eye Hospital is there, where there is having a machineries to identify the diabetic retinopathy, which is like blood leakage will be there in the eyeballs, which is going to be helpful for identifying the diabetic retinopathy before itself. So usually we used to capture that medical image, and doctor will observe that, and doctor will tell that within a few days you are going to have the diabetic retinopathy. But by using that artificial intelligence application, it can able to predict before itself. Okay, so likewise, there are a lot of AI is playing a role. So these are like short bites, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the short bites. If you really love the short bites, if you really want more about the short bites, you just post, I want more Sanjay in your live chat, guys. Okay, please, whatever you are, please don't rush up for the attendance. If you're really rushing for the attendance, please end the session. Please leave the session now and come back after some more minutes, and you can fill up the attendance which is going to be given in the description. Okay, until then, please don't rush up for the attendance, guys. Okay, so yes, I really know the time is running up, but if you really want to learn more from me, guys, please stay, guys. Okay, so I hope you're really going to stay till the end. So yeah, so this is all about the session. I hope you really enjoyed. If you really enjoyed this session up to now, you just post I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. I have only one more bonus only for you, which is regarding the mindset, guys. Because in our What is Way community, we are providing both the skill set and mindset. Because if you are talking about Sundar Pichai, he is not only good at skill set, he is also good at mindset. So that's why he started as a normal engineer, but he became a CEO of Google, and he now became a CEO of Alphabet. Even Larry Page announced that none other than the Sundar Pichai can't able to handle Alphabet than him. So likewise, he just given a wonderful quote. So likewise, we really, even though you are really good at skill set, we really want to prepare our mindset. So the mindset, for an example, attitude, leadership skills, positive thinking, decision making, and people friendly, positivity, ignoring negativity. So likewise, we really want to have our good thing about the mindset as well. So that's why we are providing this mindset as well, guys. If you really wanted to know about the mindset, you just post I want Sanjay in your chat, guys. Okay, so what is the today's mindset is the graph which you are observing here is the universal success graph. Lot of people, as a student, as a faculty, as an engineer, lot of people have something in their mind. Lot of people are achieving a lot, but I am not. I'm starting something, but I can't able to finish. Even though I'm starting this 30 days data science masterclass series, I gave up on the first point. I've gave up on the midpoint. I can't able to complete this 30 days. But based on lot of reasons, they'll self-taught by themselves. They'll think that I am not completing the course. I'm registering at the first day. I'm having the fire. And in after some days, I'm not completing. I'm not only talking about this 30-day series. I'm talking about a lot of tasks which you are doing. How many of you people are feeling this? If you are feeling this, you just post, I have this feeling, Sanjay, in your life chat. Because a lot of people are having that in their mind. Guys, I'm telling you, it is not only you are having that kind of thought. Lot of people are having that thought in their mind, guys. Lot of people are having that thought. The thought is like, I'm starting with this something and I'm not completing it. So likewise, you used to have lot of thoughts, guys. I'm telling you, just see this graph. This is the universal success graph. It is not only you. Every people are having that feeling. The people who are all crossing that threshold, they are achieving, you are failing. So that is the only difference. You just see the graph, guys. On the first day, you will feel that this is a great idea. Just see here, just see the graph. I think it is really looks now great. Just see here, initially you will think this is the great idea. At the next point, you will think add visual detail to the vision and you will think that I can do this. But at a certain point of the time, as it is going for a little bit more days, you will think like this is hard. This project sucks. I suck. Where 80% of the people, okay, I'll tell that word, guys. Now our concurrent viewers are nearly like 1,400 participants. Let us see on our 30th day, or let us see even 20th day even. How many people are not giving up? I'll tell you guys, you just write it in your diary. Okay, the first day participants are 1,400 participants. 80% of the people will give up on this point, guys. It is not happening only for only one people, it is happening for every people. 80% of the people will give up in this point. This project sucks and I suck. They'll just give up. Literally, they just give up. They won't attend the session or they'll postpone the session. They'll tell a lot of reasons. Like I have work, I don't have time. I'll watch the recording tomorrow so that I can speak at today's session. Likewise, a lot of people will think that, but end result is they just gave up. That's the reason. Okay, none other than that. But even though it is difficult, even though it is hard, even though it is what to say? Yes, even though it is hard, if the people are stay connecting with me, okay, even though the people wanted to learn, even though it is hard, even though for a lot of reasons, if they are connecting, if they are not giving up, at a certain point of time, the people who are all crossing this point, they'll think like, I think I can do this. I gonna get through this. Hey, this is pretty good. I'm so glad I did this. Definitely you'll feel this, guys. You will feel this. Definitely I'm giving it for you. I hope you really love this mindset bonus today. If you really love the short bites, you just post, I love this mindset bonus, Sanjay, in your live chat, guys. Okay, so before going for the Q&A session, again I'm telling you, this 999 offer is gonna be there. So batch 1 is gonna be end on coming Sunday. You can register tomorrow or you can register day after tomorrow. But this 1499 offer and 1299 offer is gonna be only for today. Okay, I'm telling you again, this 999 you can register tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Since it's the launch day today, we are providing this 1299 package and 1499 package. This offer is only today, guys. This link is going to be given in the description. So once you registered for this 1499 rupees, you are going to get 4 courses. So while talking about the 4 courses, first of all, if you really want to know about the agenda, you can please visit learn.pantechsolutions.net. Okay, so I'll give the link in the live chat. So you can click this link. So if you are going for the link, so what are the 4 courses you are going to get is number 1, artificial intelligence, internship on AI 30 days. This is the first course. Just see the thumbnail, guys. And second course, machine learning. And third course, data analytics. And fourth course, Python. So likewise, we are providing these 4 courses. You just see here. Each of these 3 courses on the 30 days course. AI is 30 days course. Machine learning is also 30 days course. And data analytics is also 30 days course. Okay, let us see the first of all, data analytics. First of all, it covered up with introduction to AI. Power query in Excel, formula on pivot table in Excel, dashboard on charts in Excel, VBA macros automation in Excel, statistics, use case of statistics in Python, permutation and combination, population sampling, probability distribution, hypothesis testing, business intelligence tools. So like analyzing, processing data using Tableau business intelligence tool, creating dashboard and Tableau. Introduction to Power BI dashboard. We are covering about 2 popular business intelligence tools. One is Power BI and another one is Tableau. So Power BI, dashboard creation on Power BI. and exploring Python notebooks and installing libraries. Basic Python programming for data analytics. Numerical Python, NumPy library, Pandas library, Matplotlib library, Seaborn library. How to participate in Kaggle competition. MySQL databases, SQL, NoSQL, MongoDB, introduction to machine learning, evaluating and deploying machine learning algorithms, introduction to deep learning, COVID-19 introduction. You just imagine deep learning project, COVID-19 introduction using CNN, convolutional neural network, deep learning, tag identification. Likewise, this 30 days course, which we have offered at the price of only 1499 rupees. The participants who already registered only this data analytics course at the price of 1499 rupees, those participants, don't worry, you are going to get automatic upgradation to get additional 3 courses for free. Don't worry, the people who already registered at the price of 1499. So this is what the data analytics course. And let us go for the second course, which is AI. On the AI, we guys have covered everything which is based on the project. You just see here, installing Python, computer vision. Under the computer vision, you just see the projects list. Moving object detection, face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition. And in the deep learning, you just see here, real-time object recognition, image classification, hand gesture recognition, leaf disease detection, character recognition, label reading using OCR, attendance face recognition system, vehicle detection, license plate recognition. There are a lot of projects there, right? So my mouth is paining literally. Drowsiness detection, road sign recognition, under the machine learning, fake news detection, AI snake game, under the NLP, title generation from the paragraph, speech emotion analysis, AI cloud, AI hardware. So like there are a lot of clouds are there, AWS, Amazon Web Service, Amazon Web Service, Microsoft Azure. So likewise there are a lot of clouds. And AI hardware. So what are the hardware which you can able to use it for AI applications like NVIDIA hardware. So likewise there are a lot of courses which is out there. AI hardware. Okay, this is what AI course which is going to be carrying out. And third course which is machine learning course. Machine learning which we guys have covered up with based on algorithms. Like you just see here. Under the supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. Sales prediction, salary estimation, handwritten digit recognition, Titanic survival prediction, plant leaf iris detection, digit recognition, evaluating model performance. You just see here nearly like 28 algorithms, I think 25 plus algorithms with 25 plus project under the category of machine learning itself. And Python, there is nearly like 10 days Python course. So likewise, we are providing this 4 courses at the price of 1499 rupees. With that, you are going to get 4 internship certificate, data analytics internship certificate, AI internship certificate, and machine learning internship certificate, and Python internship certificate. 4 internship certificate. Additionally, you are going to get another 1 additional certificate which is going to be certified by IoT Data Analytics, and which is going to be providing at the price of 1 year validity, guys. Okay, so I hope you guys have got it. Now we are providing this 2 offer, this 2 package, 1299 package and 1499 package, which is going to be provided at only today, guys. Okay, today is going to be only day offer which we are providing in this courses. If you really want that, you just click that link and register for it. If you register for it, you will get the login access portal for this 4 courses. Once you guys have gone for 4 courses, you will get PowerPoint presentation, you will get the mind map, you will get the source code, you will get the data set, you will get the trained model file, you will get additional lectures, everything you are going to get with the video lectures, video guidance, everything, bonus sessions, everything which we are going to get in the package of 1499, guys. Okay. So that's all up to this session. I hope you really enjoyed a lot. So it's time to interact with me, guys. Whatever the question which you have, please don't ask regarding attendance certificate or those stuffs. Please ask a wonderful question. So because I really wanted to clear all your doubts, guys. Yes. Carl, can we upgrade to internship module after 10-15 of watching your YouTube webinar? As it's reasonable, and we can also see how the modules are going to be. Definitely today night 11:45 is going to be the last time. So after 11:45 we are going to be disabling especially these 2 links. The 2 links like 1299 link and 1499 link is going to be disabled on around today night 11:45 p.m. So before that, if you really want that, you just register for it, guys. Guys, is there any other thing? Okay, if you really want that, you just register for it. Super Sanjay, super wonderful. Okay, and another main thing I really forgot, guys. which is about amazing gift types, which I told you, right? So amazing gift, which is like, I'm going to be asking you 5 questions. Okay, only 5 questions. Okay, how many of you people are really excited to win the 32 GB pen drive? Only one participant, guys. I'm really sorry, I can't able to provide for 100 participants or 1000 participants. But definitely we are going to be provide once we are growing up. Once we started, yes, we are growing. So once we are at the state, definitely we are also going to be provide for huge quantity. But now we are providing for one winner. So we have already given a lot of pen drives for a lot of tasks. Like nearly we have given like 10 plus pen drives for a lot of people. So now what is the task is, we are going to be sharing one Google form link. So on that Google form, we have asked the 5 questions. On that 5 question, it is not about right answer, right or wrong answer. I'm not going to insist you just want to give the right answer, you just want to give the wrong answer. I'm not going to insist you like that. Just give the answers, guys. Once you guys have given the answer, tomorrow afternoon I'm going to be closing that poll. Just give the answer simply. Out of that answer, we are going to be running the Python program to choose one person, one lucky person. To that lucky person, I'm going to be announce the winner tomorrow, guys. Okay, the pendrive task link, which is going to be given in the description, and it is going to be given on the live chat. You just click that link and answer that 5 simple questions. Don't think like I don't know the answer. Please answer it, guys. If you answer the question, you are win. If you haven't tried it, you are lose. Okay, so that's it, guys. Yes. So yes, let us continue the Q&A, guys. If you guys have any questions, please raise your questions. Aditya, I didn't understand. We will be doing a course, but how can we get an internship certificate? On how we are supposed to explain if asked out about it during interviews. Actually, what is all about the internship is, it is having a recorded video lectures. You can watch a recording video lecture, which is a self-paced, you can complete it. Other than that, we will be conducting some live sessions on weekly basis. Even though entrepreneurship live is also going on. I really don't want to reveal that. If you are coming into our paid community, okay, if you are coming into our paid community, what is your community? You'll be having lot of enormous courses, lot of enormous bonus lectures. Like soft skill coaching is there, entrepreneurship coaching is also going on. So please, I just spoiled it, guys. I'm really sorry for that. Sorry to my management. Okay, so there are a lot of live session is going on. Okay, in our paid community. So once you guys have done any payment, so you'll be in our community portal. Okay, so the community is looking like this. Okay, so wait a minute, I'll show from my login. So which is like different individual social media, but it will show the peoples and it will show the events. Likewise, it will show everything in the social medias, like chats, notifications, everything it will show, and events, topics, members, everything it will show here. So everything it will be updated here. So likewise, we have our social media. So likewise, we'll be conducting a lot of live webinars here. So each and every Saturday basis or Sunday basis. So definitely you'll get everything which is going to be notified there. So because a lot of people are doing that mistake, people used to register for some other courses and they are not upgrading, they are just sticking on to it. For an example, if some new cloud has been launched, you need to get that upgradation. So that knowledge which is going to be given to via those kind of mastermind sessions. Okay. Is there any other questions, guys? Please try to interact with me regarding any technical questions if you really want to ask that. What is the application which you guys have used for PPT? Actually, this application which I've used for this is Xmind, guys. Okay, which one is paid? Okay, which is a premium, which is Xmind. Okay, XMIND. Okay, guys, I really wanted to answer your question, guys. Sir, what is the difference between machine learning and deep learning? Aarti, thank you so much for asking a technical question. That's the first technical question I've saw now, guys. While talking about the traditional algorithms previously, okay, so I'll ask you one question. There is a okay, so let me ask this question. I have this object here, mobile, and I have this object here on the right hand side, my water bottle. So what my question is, how will you tell this is a mobile phone and this is a water bottle? You just give your answers in the lecture. So based on that, I'll explain what is the difference between the other algorithms and the deep learning. Because you will tell this is the mobile phone by observing its features. Like color, definitely not a color because there are a lot of colors are there. But based on the shape, whenever there is a camera and whenever there is looking like this shape, you will tell this is the mobile phone. This is nothing but a features. While talking about the traditional algorithms, for example, if you are interacting with your faculty who done a research before 10 years, they have done a moving object detection by specifying its features. They guys have done like fruits detection by based on the features. If this is the color, this is apple. This is yellow color, that is banana. So likewise, they used to specify the features. So in the previous algorithms, we need to specify the features of whatever the classification which you really wanted to do. But in the deep learning, you really don't want to do the features. You really don't want to specify the features. Instead, we just want to give the data, but from the giving the data itself, it will do the automatic feature extraction. It is not going to ask for your features. You don't need to specify if it is apple, this is a red color. If it is a yellow color, that is a banana. You don't need to specify the features. The automatic feature extraction, that is what the deep learning is. Thank you so much for the person who asked the wonderful question. I'm giving a great applause for that person who asked a wonderful question. Thank you so much. Likewise, you just ask a wonderful question, guys. Okay, if you really love my explanation, you just post, I love this, Sanjay, in your life. Bunny, Sanjay, I'm a mechanical student. Which job role I can choose for that? Which language I can learn? Guys, lot of people switch their career from mechanical engineer to data scientist. Like what is it? Electrical department to data scientist. That you can use the data which is related to the mechanical field. Okay, that's up to you. Okay, so definitely you can learn that. So if you are really asking about the programming languages, start learning a Python, guys. Python is really very easy when comparing with other programming languages. Gautam, if I want only for data analytics certificate, but I have registered 4-in-1 course combo, can I get only one certificate? If you registered for 4-in-1 course combo at the price of 1499, you are going to get 5 certificate. Out of that, 4 internship certificate. One is for data analytics, one is for Python, one is for machine learning, one is for AI, and additionally one data analytics certificate which is going to be certified by IIT Mumbai. Okay. Is Python is tough for a non-technical student? No. Do you know one thing, guys? In our community, in our Varisway community, 8th standard student and 6th standard student is learning our course. Okay. So in our Varisway community, we are having a student from 6th standard and 8th standard. Okay. I can also show the proof tomorrow, but it is really a fact. Okay. So that's why you just imagine how much the Python is going to be easy. Okay. MD Danish, I already enrolled for 999 course, so can I go for 1499 course? Definitely 1499 course, definitely you can get. Definitely you'll be getting an upgradation link. You just ping me through the LinkedIn. I'll be sending you the upgradation link to upgrade from 999 to 1499. Definitely you'll get an upgradation link, guys. Sorry, Jareen. Now you took 5:37. I'm really sorry for taking more time. This is just Q&A. If you really don't want to attend the Q&A, please leave the session, guys. Computer vision versus DL. Definitely, we are going to be learning in detail on the upcoming session. Don't worry. Harshavardhan, how much time required to train a task to a robot, Sanjay? Actually, it is based on the task. It is based on the data which you have. It is based on the timing, because for an example, and based on the machine you have. So it is based on the different factors. How much data you have, what is the task you are going to do, what is the machine you have. Based on these different parameters, the timing is going to be specified. Okay, so it is really based on a lot of parameters, guys. Okay, so yes, guys, we are into the end of the session, and don't judge the upcoming session by based on this first day session, because in this first day we guys haven't gone through any practical, but on the upcoming days or upcoming sessions, we are gonna be, every day is gonna be filled with the practical sessions. Okay, so please stay connected with me. If you guys don't have a laptop, please arrange some laptops and please have it in your hand, because I'm gonna be giving a lot of tips and lot of hands-on is going to be there. And please do it with me on each and every day basis. Lot of project we are going to work on. Please do it with me, and every day which is going to be completely practical except the first day, because on the first day I really wanted to deliver the clear idea about the studies about data science, AI, ML, and those stuff. But hereafter we are going to be jumping onto the concept wise, so it is going to be completely practical. So please stay with me with the laptops. So if you don't have a laptop, please listen. But if you really want to do a hands-on, definitely a laptop is necessary, laptop or PC. Okay. And another main thing, if you guys haven't connected with me, please connect with me through the LinkedIn. My LinkedIn link is given in the description below, because to know the recent update, to feel any other additional values, I'll be updating through the LinkedIn. So my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below, you just click that link and connect with me or follow me through the LinkedIn. And if you guys have any course related doubts, you can ping to this Telegram number 730-584-5758 if you have any course related doubts. And if you guys wanted to know about any project or product, please visit pantechsolutions.net. And if you guys have any people, if you are friends, okay, you just share this video to your friends in your social medias, so that they will be connecting with us on our upcoming 29 days series, because we are also having, or we are learning a mindset as well. So without any ego, without any negativities, we really want to be completely positive to attract as much people who are really thinking learning AI is difficult, learning AI is expensive. We really want to attract every people who are out there in the field of AI. So if you are going to attract those people, if you are going to do this, you just post, I will do Sanjay in your live chat, and you just post, I am with you Sanjay in your live chat, to attract as much people who are all there, want to learn, want to teach AI in the very easy and very in a cheapest way, and very in effective way as well. So please attract, or please share as much you can do that. So thank you so much, and please don't forget to follow me on the LinkedIn. So don't miss out any on the session of 29 days. Please connect with me, because lot of bonus and lot of surprise offers, lot of surprise thing which is really waiting for you. And again, I'm telling you, today is going to be the last day to get that 1299 package or 1499 package. Please click that link which is given in the description below and register for that internship. So thank you so much for connecting with me again, and don't forget to connect with me through the LinkedIn, guys. So thank you so much. I hope you really enjoyed the session. If you really enjoyed, you just post, I enjoyed Sanjay in your live chat. So thank you so much. Thank you once again. It's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.